Hey guys, so today, as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be making some regular slime. As you guys can see here, I made a regular slime, fluffy slime yesterday. So I'm just going to make a little bit of slime. So sorry you guys can't see my face. So the things that you'll be needing, of course, is some glue. You'll be needing some glitter, optional, some shaving cream, optional, and anything that will activate, like contact lens solution or Tide. And this, by the way, it's like really small, so it only costs $5. So where I got everything is at Walmart. So I just got everything at Walmart. And of course a mixing tool, so I'm going to be making a little bit of slime. So as you guys can see, I'm going to add a little bit of glue because I don't want like a lot. So yesterday I made this thing and yesterday I made slime, right? And it was really messy because my mom told me that I needed my hands to make the slime, and it took ages. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but I don't have a different angle. So I'm just gonna mix this. Why does it look like it's already forming? So cool. Alright. Now I'm gonna add some glitter. Okay. I'm gonna mix that in with the glitter. I think it's just trying to form because it has a lot of activator in my slime right here. So that slime took a lot of my activator. So, yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna just add some of my Tide. Okay, that's a lot. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, I added I think a bit too much. Okay. And I think it's like really good. I'm just gonna go in with my hands. Okay, guys, get down, get off. This is so cool. I heard that don't get any food coloring because the Tide is like probably a certain color. So like, guys, it's really sticky though. Oh my god, it's actually like really fun. Like I can't believe that. It feels weird. I think I added a bit too much. Like activator. It's actually getting a bit hard to stir it. So I'm gonna put away my activator. I have like a bit more, so no. Made slime by myself. As you guys can see. Oh my god. Alright. Alright, I'm eating it now. Oh my my god, no, 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 no way. This is actually just fun. Oh my god, it's super sticky. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna get my slime that I have right next to me. And just throw it in there. Oh my god, it's actually just working. I only made a little bit of slime, guys, and it's super sticky. Oh my god. My videos are not that this long, so like, oh my god, guys. I actually bought the things yesterday, so you're wondering like when I got it and why I should have just made it in the very beginning when I was talking about myself. I really didn't have the ingredients. I don't want to add a lot of activator because I have like a whole gallon of glue and I only have like this much of activator. So, and for my slime that I have like right here, it took me it took a lot of my activator. I want you guys to pause this video right now and go in the comment and tell me, should I do an ASMR video with this slime? Now I did mix the regular slime with the fluffy slime and it actually did just turn out into fluffy slime. Okay. It's really sticky, so it's like really impossible for me to get an actual really good slime consistency. And I heard a lot of people say slime is not sticky. I don't really care, but slime is supposed to be a bit sticky for you to have an actual slime. And this slime is like really, really stretchy. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this video right here because my video is never this long. It was like only like 5 minutes. But anyways guys, subscribe to my channel and like this video and comment whatever you guys want. But like I said, tell me if I should do an ASMR video on this slime. And if you are making a giant slime, a bit like this, as you guys can see by my shirt, I did it yesterday and it was super, super messy, so I got all over. So make sure you wear like a big thing, so a shirt. But anyways guys, tell me in the comments, by the way, too, if you guys want me to make a bigger thing of this, a bit bigger than this. So yeah. So I think this slime is a bit better than the yellow one. Oh my god, it's sick to make sure I look right away. Anyways, guys, I gotta go. I don't have to go, but like, this video is like super long. I'm gonna end it here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and comment on my videos. And if you haven't seen any of my other videos talking about me, go on my channel and you'll see all about me video and ASMR. So bye guys, love you.